Hi everyone, this is Rainey with Why Am I Green? And today I'd like to show you my Alaska grow bucket system that I built. And if there's enough interest in it, later on down the road, I could even show you how I made it. So let's get started. Okay, here's the new system I just made. It's a Alaskan bucket system, and it starts here with the reservoir. I have that filled with water, and it goes down, down, down that tube, going down into that bucket, and inside that bucket I have a float. So the water doesn't get any higher than that. Let me go on the side, show you that bucket, the side view. And that bucket goes into a hose, goes to the second bucket, the third bucket. Let's see, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 right over here. I don't know if you can see that. You're upside down right now, and I'm going to spin you around going back into that bucket. So that float basically keeps all the water even in all 6 buckets. Now you notice all the buckets have holes in them, and that's for the air pruning, because I have cloth shopping bags inside filled with my vermiculite and pro mix soil, and I think I have some starter soil in there also. So basically they're being fed from the bottom. Now on the bottom, so I don't have the soil right on the bottom, I have colanders. I showed that earlier. And there's colanders fitting in the bottom so it can keep the bag off the floor of the bucket, and the water goes in. It's about maybe, about 3 inches of water, and it's enough to fill in the colander, touch the bottom of the bag, and soak the water all the way up. So it's a pretty cool system. Hasn't been using that much water. I mean, it's filled in. It used a lot when I first filled it in because it had to, suck up through all that sand. Of course, I watered it as I was putting the sand in the bags. So that is my new system. One more thing I didn't show you about the system. Of course, these guys need to have light, and I closed the shade over here. I only have this one little window coming in this room, so you probably notice a tripod in the middle of my system. And let's go up on the tripod, and it goes all the way up to my sun. Here we go. It's actually one of my studio lights that I use for making videos. I've got about 5 or 6 of these, and I'll be putting another one in right about where I'm standing there pretty soon, because over here I'm also starting to grow other plants. I just wanted to show you the sun, so have a bright day. Bye-bye.